kids that I taught that were pretty young and were learning really how to use chess in their own mind, right? How to understand it. Well, it turns out it's very common to see a lot of people in technology that had a mathematical or a chess background.
Yeah.
And it's very easy to see someone who is a good chess player when they're young have a very good technology career later. I think it's a very direct draw. And parents saw that as a way for their children to do better thinking processes and plans. Even though chess is a finite game, it teaches a lot of soft skills to be able to use in technology in the business world later. And I enjoyed seeing kids excited about learning, and parents were almost as equally as excited about their children becoming better at chess so that they can become better in their careers later.
Right. Yeah, exactly. And you know, what you're talking about, it's really hard to say causation exists between chess and these STEM careers and skills, but yet there's some very strong correlation there. Right. And you can just imagine how building these analytical skills, these problem solving skills, these mindsets of success can translate over to succeeding as they consider and move into careers like that. They may feel more comfortable just with this kind of thinking because that's what they've been playing in their games. In fact, I'm not sure you're aware of this, Bruce, but and maybe I'll just ask you here live, you know, did you know that a couple of years ago we ran some data on the Pan American Collegiate Chess Championships to draw this parallel and to just explore those who compete in the college level in the Pan American College Chess Championships? What is their majors when they're in their junior and senior years primarily? And unsurprisingly, after drawing 2 years of data and getting 90+% participation in these studies, because we went in person to do it, because otherwise you don't get a high percentage, right? If you just do it digitally, you're not going to. But we did it in person. And unsurprisingly, yes, we had those high 80s, 90% who are in STEM careers, and many of them in software technology and such.